Ever lose track of those pesky coins jingling around your pocket? Maybe you dream of growing your wealth but feel intimidated by the stock market. Well, fret no more. Today, we're diving into the world of micro-investing with Raiz, an app designed to make investing accessible and affordable for everyone. But before we jump in, let's address the elephant in the room. How much does it actually cost to get started? Because let's be honest, who wants to invest if it requires a hefty minimum deposit? The magic of micro-investing. Imagine this, you buy a coffee for $4.50, but your card gets charged $5. That sneaky 50 cents? Raiz can turn it into an investment opportunity. Micro-investing platforms like Raiz allow you to invest tiny amounts of money regularly, making it a fantastic option for beginners or those on a tight budget. So, what's the minimum investment with Raiz? Here's the exciting part. Raiz boasts a super low minimum investment of just $5. That's right, you can literally start investing with the spare change from your pocket. This makes Raiz a fantastic option for anyone who wants to test the waters of investing without a huge upfront commitment. Making the most of your money. Here's how Raiz helps your spare change work for you. Round UPS. Every time you use your debit card, Raiz can automatically round up your purchase to the nearest dollar and invest the difference. Those leftover cents can add up quickly. Scheduled deposits. Set up a recurring deposit, even if it's just a few dollars a week. Consistency is key when it comes to building wealth over time. Beyond the minimum, account fees explained. It's important to understand that while there's no minimum investment to get started, Raiz does have some account fees to consider. Here's a quick breakdown. Monthly account fee. This fee kicks in if your account balance dips below a certain threshold. In Australia, for example, the fee is $3.50 per month if your balance falls under $15,000. Understanding the fees, are they worth it? Now, the question remains, are the fees worth it for a micro-investor with a small balance? Here's the thing, Raiz manages your investments for you, which can be a huge perk for beginners who don't want to get bogged down in research and portfolio management. They also offer a variety of pre-built portfolios catering to different risk tolerances. The bottom line, is Raiz right for you? Raiz is a fantastic option for anyone who wants to start investing with minimal hassle and a low barrier to entry. The $5 minimum investment makes it perfect for dipping your toes in the water and getting comfortable with the concept of investing. Remember, Raiz isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a tool for building wealth over time through consistent investing. Do your research, understand the fees, and decide if Raiz aligns with your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.